Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi student, uh, in this chapter 9, I'll tell you some of the most important of this chapter. I'll tell you about making metrics work. You will find on the course, but I'll tell you this topic because I think this is very important. Student, many multinational use metric structure in their international operation. Some of these structure work out very well, some do not. The reason for success can often be tied to three important criteria: clarity, continuity, and consistency. If all three are achieved, the metric tend to work well. If one or more are missing, the structural design is often ineffective. The first, clarity. Clarity refers to how well people understand what they are doing and why they are doing it. If the company's basic objectives are clear, if the relationship in the structure are spelled out in direct, simple terms, and a relevant of job is unicated, there is a good chance that clarity will be achieved. A good example is NEZ, the giant Japanese M&A that decided to integrate computer and communication to make this the focus of its business effort. This message was clarity communicated to the personnel so that everyone in the organization understood what the company wanted to do. On the other hand, competitor like maybe AT&T tried the same strategy but failed to clarify what they were doing. As a result, NEC has been more successful in its pursuit of the computer or communication market. After clarity, continuity. Continuity means that the company remain committed to the sum of core objective and values. This provides a unifying theme and helps to ensure that the personnel are committed. General Electric's Brazilian subsidiary is a good example of how a lack of continuity can hurt. In the 1960s, the subsidiary built television. During the 1970s, it was told to switch the large appliance. Then it was told to focus on housewares. By this time, the company's dominant franchise in Brazil's electrical product market had all but dissipated. In contrast, Unilever set up operation in Brazil and despite the volatile change in the economy continued to focus its effort on the electrical product market. Today, Unilever has a thriving market in the country. And then consistency. Consistency related to how well all parts of the organization are moving in accord with each other. This is often a reflection of how well managers of the various operating divisions are pursuing the same objectives. For example, Philip. Philip launched an international strategy for its videocassette record system, the V2000. Yes, V2000. However, its US subsidiary didn't support this effort because it felt that Matsushita VHS format and Sony's beta system were too well established. Because of this, Philip was unable to build the efficiency and credibility It needed to challenge the Japanese dominance of the VCR business. Matrix starter can be complex organizational arrangement. However, if the multinational enterprise is able to achieve clarity, continuity, and consistency, the matrix approach can be very effective. That's how making matrix work. Okay, and you now in chapter 9, organizing strategy. Thank you.